Ready to snag those Target must-haves without breaking the bank? Today, we're diving into how to use Sezzle at Target in-store to split your payments and make shopping sprees a little easier on your wallet. First things first, make sure you have the Sezzle app downloaded and you're all signed in. Open the Sezzle app and search for Target in the store directory. You can use the search bar at the top. Once you find Target, tap on it. Now, you'll see an option to activate your virtual Sezzle card. Tap on Activate Virtual Card. You might need to verify your identity, so just follow the on-screen prompts. Great! Now that your card is active, tap on the Pay in-Store button. A barcode will generate on your screen. This is what the cashier needs to scan at checkout. Make sure the barcode is clear and the cashier can easily scan it. Sometimes there is a short countdown timer, so be ready at the checkout. After the cashier scans the barcode, your first payment is made. You can view your order details and payment schedule within the Sezzle app under the Orders tab here. You can track your payments and even reschedule if you need to, subject to Sezzle's terms, of course. So there you have it. €, easy peasy. Now you can shop till you drop at Target and enjoy the flexibility of Sezzle's payment plan. Happy shopping!